In this evening's edition of the Health Report, Shamela Pullen speaks with an elderly woman who underwent surgery for a disease. We have part one in this two-part series.
75-year-old Nora Bell Roberts of Kellett's Clarendon began passing traces of blood in her urine in 2022. Around the same time, she also experienced unexplained weight loss. Concerned, she visited her medical doctor, who sent her to do an executive profile.
After I did that, doctor sent me to do the CT scan. And then from this result of the CT scan, it showed a little thickening inside the endometrius. She decided to send me to a gynecologist.
After further tests, she was diagnosed with a condition known as endometrial hyperplasia. This happens when the lining of the womb grows too thick. As a result, the body has too much of estrogen hormone and not enough progesterone. It can happen to women after menopause or younger women with hormonal problems.
And from there on, when I went to the gynae clinic, the first thing pops in there, then realized that's fine. Based on what came out of the CT scan, that it showed that the uterus was somewhat wearing. So she gave me, she recommended the medication.
This required her to undergo surgery, but Mrs. Roberts was afraid.
Because all I was thinking, here am I at 75, and to do a surgery, a major surgery. I wondered how my body would keep up or whatever. But eventually consented to do the hysterectomy. And you know, my friends are with them person, you will be okay.
In the end, she was glad she went through it, and today she is recovering well. With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen, wishing you good health.